Hello, everyone. When I first watched the 1999 science fiction film, The Matrix, little did I know that there is something called the extracellular matrix or the ECM. Much later, I learned that the ECM is the living environment surrounding our cells, just as soil around a plant. The ECM is different in different tissues of our body. For example, our brain is soft because its surrounding ECM is soft. Similarly, bone is stiff because the surrounding ECM is stiff. This nature of the ECM, the softness or hardness, actually helps in deciding the destiny of stem cells. Stem cells are body's raw materials from which all other cells with special features are created. Stem cells can renew to make more stem cells or transform to form different cell types in our body. This transformation then depends on the nature of the ECM. For example, if stem cells are surrounded with an ECM that is hard, they only become bone cells. Whether it is stem cell transformation or renewal, the processes within a cell requires a lot of energy. And the main energy factories are mitochondria, fondly known as the powerhouses of our cell. Mitochondria are highly efficient machines that convert all the food we eat into usable energy, and they come in all shapes and sizes, dancing around the cells. While the transformation of stem cells is sensitive to the nature of ECM, my research shows that structures within the cells, especially mitochondria, can also sense changes in the ECM and adapt their shape and location accordingly. These energy producers actually look like long web-like tubes spanning the entire cell of the cells when the cells are surrounded by a soft ECM. However, when you have a stiffer ECM surrounding stem cells, mitochondria are donut-shaped and are clustered or parked near the nucleus, which is the brain of the cells. Moreover, this clustering of mitochondria, shown in yellow on the bottom image near the nucleus, is very important in preparing these stem cells to convert into bone cells. This preparatory phase is indicated by the appearance of green dots, which are markers for bone cells inside the nucleus. Once we disrupt the mitochondrial positioning within a cell, the green dots reduce in number, and these stem cells no longer become bone cells, highlighting that the location of mitochondria within stem cells is extremely important for deciding the eventual fate of these stem cells. This interesting feature of powerhouses or the energy factories, especially the location of mitochondria within stem cells, holds immense potential in repairing tissues. Stem cells are the ones that multiply and transform to replace damaged tissues, and therefore the role of mitochondrial positioning in driving this transformation becomes extremely important. Poetically speaking, when the going gets tough for stem cells or when the ECM around stem cells is stiff, the nucleus tells the mitochondria, yes, my powerhouses, I will always keep you close till we achieve our final destination of becoming a bone cell. Thank you.